Hello, folks. It's your favorite president, Donald J. Trump, and today we're going to do something tremendous, something absolutely incredible. We're going to tackle a problem that's got more people confused than Sleepy Joe at a press conference. It's called FizzBuzz, but we're renaming it because honestly, that shit is stupid. So instead, we're going to call it MAGA Kaga, because you guessed it, we're going to make America great again and keep America great again, even in coding. MAGA Kaga is very simple, folks. It's so simple that even the fake news media could understand it, but they won't because they don't want you to win. First, let's talk about the problem. We're going to write a program that prints the numbers from 1 to 100. But there's a twist, and we love twists, don't we? For multiples of 3, we print MAGA instead of the number. And for multiples of 5, we print Kaga. And for numbers which are multiples of both 3 and 5, we print MAGA Kaga. It's beautiful, it's perfect, just like my golf swing. Step 1, folks, we start a simple for loop. Very powerful. We initialize I to 1 because we're starting from the beginning, just like we did with the economy. Next, we set the condition. I should be less than or equal to 100. Easy as pie. We want to go through all the numbers from 1 to 100. So we're going to keep going up by 1 until we reach 100. Simple, right? Like a Trump rally, we start strong and keep going. Now here's where it gets interesting. We check if I is a multiple of both 3 and 5. If I divided by 3 equals 0, and I divided by 5 equals 0, we print MAGA Kaga, the best of both worlds. But if it's not a multiple of both, we check if it's just a multiple of 3. I divided by 3 equals 0. If it is, we print MAGA, because we're making America great again. And if it's not a multiple of 3, we check if it's a multiple of 5. I divided by 5 equals 0. If it is, we print Kaga. Keep America great again, folks. Finally, if it's not a multiple of 3 or 5, we throw it out. We print out, 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 like we're throwing a heckler out of one of our rallies. It's fantastic, believe me.
All right, yeah, get him the hell out of here, will you, please? Get him out of here. Throw him out. Out, out, out.
Now, I've cleaned up the code to make it even better, folks. We're using a single console.writeLine statement. Very elegant, very efficient, cleaner than anything the Democrats could ever come up with. We create an output variable that checks if I is a multiple of 3 or 5, and then we print output if it's not empty. Otherwise, we print out, out, out. Basically the same as the original, but better. This is going to be huge. It's the best. Look at that. This code is so clean, it makes the other code look messier than Biden's diaper. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we're going to be doing more of these. Well, hopefully, if I don't go to jail, that is, you know how this country is. It's all rigged, I tell you. President Trump signing off.